I will show you how to download YouTube videos on mobile. Open Safari on your phone. Type YouTube Studio. Click this website. Make sure you are logged into YouTube. Click Content. Select the video and press the video. Click this icon, then select Download. Another way is to open the YouTube application on your phone. Then find the YouTube video you want to download. Then click this icon. Then select Download Video. There are many choices from free to paid. If you want HD or high resolution, you must subscribe first.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.